Hi guys and welcome back. I decided to show you my favorite fall makeup. So usually what I do when, I don't know, I go outside, I want to take some pictures and I want to look really good. All these products I got from iHerb. And I'm very happy to partner with them for this video to show you, how I created this look using products that they have on their website. They do carry more than 7,000 bath and beauty products, so you can literally just find there anything you want. They do ship to 160 countries, so everywhere, and the shipping is absolutely fantastic. I got my order in like 3-4 days here in the UK, and I can only imagine in the US that it's really fast. As always, you will have the links to these products in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And now let's get started with the tutorial. I will show you how I use everything and my first impressions for some of these products and why I love my old favorites from iHerb, so enjoy! Now I do have quite a lot of products, and I will also use today some products that I bought in the past from iHerb. I actually bought to myself the Low pH Good Morning Cleanser from Cosrx and the Klairs Midnight Recovery Cream, because these two I absolutely love and I run out of my older ones. So the foundation that I will use today is the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Oil-Free Makeup Micro Clear Technology. I don't know exactly what this means. The one thing that I don't like is this bottle. Where is the pump? I just need to know where is the pump. I decided to try the Neutrogena foundation because I heard so many things about their foundations, and this one has salicylic acid in it, which is very good when you have blemishes and stuff, and I do have quite some things here and there, so yeah, we shall see about that. Now I do have this in the classic Ivory shade, so we'll just try to apply this with my fingers. I will blend it with my Real Techniques beauty sponge, so let's see what kind of coverage it has. It's very light. Yeah, it's more like a lighter coverage foundation, but evens out the skin quite nicely. Now I'm actually liking this foundation. It looks really good on the skin, and I think it's just perfection for an everyday makeup. And the fact that it has salicylic acid, it's a lower percentage, but it will help you, to have that clearer skin. I usually like foundations that contain salicylic acid because they do really work, and you will not get any kind of blemishes from this kind of foundations, and the skin will not be as congested in a way. And I'm moving on to the E.L.F concealer, and I got this in the color Fair. I never tried any like E.L.F concealer foundations, so I'm curious to see how this will work. They do have a couple on the website, but I decided to try this one, the HD concealer, I believe. So I will just apply this in here. I will apply quite a lot. Now they say the color is fair, but it's not really fair. Yeah, it's a bit darker, but hopefully it will still work. It's not really a full coverage concealer. It gives you like a light to medium coverage. But I mean, it's enough for like everyday use. So one of the brushes that I picked was this one from Real Techniques, which is really nice and soft. I had this in the past, like a couple of years ago, but I lost it somewhere, so yeah. But now I do have a new one. And the powder that I will use is the Azalik Cosmetics Powder Foundation in Fair, and I use this baby so much. I really like it. I really like the Azalik range in general. So I will just take a little bit of this and powder underneath the eyes, T-zone. For the cheeks, I do have this palette from sFormula, which is well loved. And I use the powder, I use the contour shade, I used a little bit of the bronzer shade, but I'm not a massive fan of this. I think it's just too too orangey red for me, for my complexion. I use it more when I'm tanned, so I will use this contour shade, and I will just apply this in here just a little bit to sculpt the cheeks. And I do like to apply this in here as well on my forehead, and then I blend it with this big powder brush as well. Now the next thing is a blush, and I'm very excited to try finally these all these Physicians Formula products, the new ones. So I have this little guy. This is the Butter Blush in Plum Rose. So it's just perfection, like my favorite kind of blush, like nude, more mauvey, plummy kind of color, quite light, and this smells so good. I have no idea like what kind of scent is this, but it's really nice. And the brush that I will use with this one is this one from EcoTools, the stippling brush. So I will just apply this on the cheeks, and I kind of mix it with the contour as well. And I actually forgot to apply the bronzer first, but I do have also this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I heard so many people rave about this one. It's in light bronze and the same kind of texture as the blush and the highlighter that I will show you in a second. So I will just use the smaller brush with the bronzer, and it's a very light bronzy kind of shade. It's more yellow toned, so that works perfectly for me. And now the highlighter. This is so stunning, so gorgeous, and it's in the color Pearl. So it's more of a lighter highlighter with pink and a bit of champagne reflex in it. And the formula of this one, again, just unbelievable. This is so shiny. It's so pigmented. Like really, you don't need a lot. Now for my crease, I will use a little bit of this with a fluffier crease brush, just to have a bit of definition in here, since I will apply the eyeliner after. And now I will apply, I was waiting for this moment for such a long time, the ultra fine liquid eyeliner from Physicians Formula. Apparently this has some kind of formula, special formula. It has also a serum in it, so we shall see about that. I like already that it's a brush. I will do just a small kind of wing. I'm saying this, and I hope in like 5 minutes I will not have a big black eyeliner on my eyes. Yeah, it's very soft and precise, and it's so black. I love this. Best. And I believe it's matte. Yeah, it's a matte finish. I love a matte finish. Yes, sorry. So pretty. So pretty. Now I will just apply mascara, some false lashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, so what we have left, lips, and I will be using this matte lip crayon from E.L.F. This is in Cranberry. It's a gorgeous, like a deep reddish kind of color. I actually tried this in the past, not exactly this color. I had the tea rose and I also had the natural shade, and I absolutely love these lip pencils. I love the texture, I love those two colors, so I hope I will like these too. And they're so affordable as well, so this is a bonus. I just love this texture. And voila, this is the finished look. This actually is a bit lighter than I expected it to be, but I still like it. It's still more like a darker red kind of shade. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you tried any of these products, especially the butter range from Physicians Formula, because this is, in my opinion, unbelievable. The texture, how it looks, the foundation, I really like the eyeliner. It's just, I don't know, I discovered a lot of favorites I feel like right now. Don't forget to check out iHerb for all these products and a lot of other, you know, just Korean beauty, brushes, makeup brushes, a lot of really good healthy snacks, or just food in general, supplements, everything. You have there everything. I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye!